Are you ready to level up your money mindset and start investing like the next generation of wealth builders? Forget the myth that investing is only for the rich or financial experts. Today, investing is accessible, digital, and built for Gen Z, and that means you. In this video, we're breaking down the smartest investment options available right now, from stocks and cryptocurrency to alternative assets most people overlook. No confusing jargon, no hype. Just clear strategies to help you grow your money, diversify your portfolio, and take control of your financial future. If you're ready to make smarter money moves and stop letting your cash sit idle, let's dive in. Investing can be intimidating, especially with so many choices out there. But don't worry, we're here to break it down. Today, we focus on stocks, cryptocurrency, and alternative assets. These are key areas that can help you grow your wealth. First, let's talk about stocks. Stocks are shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you own a piece of that company. Stocks can provide high returns over time. They can also be risky. You must research before investing. Next up is cryptocurrency. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained popularity. They function on blockchain technology. Cryptos can be volatile but offer unique opportunities. Plus, they're digital, making them easy to access for everyone. Now, let's explore alternative assets. These are investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds. Think real estate, collectibles, or even art. They can diversify your portfolio. This reduces risk and can lead to higher profits. To get started with stocks, first consider a brokerage account. This allows you to buy and sell stocks easily. Many platforms cater specifically to new investors, offering educational resources and user-friendly interfaces. Next, think about your investment strategy. Are you looking for quick gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Knowing your risk tolerance is crucial, as it shapes your approach and influences your choices. Don't forget to keep an eye on market trends and company performance. This knowledge can inform your decisions and help you invest wisely. Remember, it's not just about picking the right stocks, it's about timing your investments as well. With the right strategy and tools, you can navigate the stock market effectively and begin to build your wealth. Just stay curious, keep learning, and don't hesitate to ask questions along the way. Now that you have a solid foundation in stock investing, let's shift gears to cryptocurrency. The world of cryptos is fascinating and full of possibilities, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the leading cryptocurrencies, as each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Understanding the technology behind them is essential because it directly impacts their value. Always remember, investing in cryptocurrency requires vigilance. The market can change rapidly. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider using secure wallets to protect your digital assets. With careful planning, crypto can be a rewarding part of your investment portfolio. Are you ready to discover the exciting realm of alternative assets? Alternative assets offer a unique way to diversify your investment portfolio. By exploring avenues like real estate, collectibles, or art, you can tap into different markets that may not correlate directly with traditional assets. This strategy reduces overall risk while potentially boosting your returns, making it a smart choice for any savvy investor. Now that you understand the basics, let's dive deeper into how to approach investing in alternative assets effectively. First, identify what type of alternative asset excites you the most. This could be a passion or a hobby. For instance, if you love art, consider attending gallery exhibitions to network and learn. Similarly, if real estate piques your interest, research market trends and property values in your area. Understanding your chosen asset's niche will help you make informed decisions. Next, you'll want to establish your budget for these investments. Remember, alternative assets often require a different level of commitment than stocks or cryptocurrencies, so it's vital to assess how much you're willing to invest. Factor in not only the purchase price but also maintenance costs, insurance, and potential fees associated with selling. Setting a clear budget allows you to pursue your interests without overextending yourself financially. As you explore these opportunities, keep in mind that patience is key. Many alternative assets appreciate over time, but they may not yield immediate returns. Therefore, it's essential to hold onto your investments for the long run while closely monitoring the market dynamics. Next, consider the potential returns of alternative assets. While they often require a significant commitment, the rewards can be remarkable. Vintage collectibles, for instance, can appreciate substantially, especially if demand increases. Evaluate what excites you but also what could yield the best value over time. And there you have it, the foundation of modern investing for the next generation. Whether it's stocks for long-term growth, crypto for innovation, or alternative assets for diversification, the key is simple. Start informed, stay patient, and think long-term. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who wants to grow their money, and subscribe for more content on investing, personal finance, and next-gen wealth strategies. Drop a comment below. Which investment are you most interested in, stocks, crypto, or alternative assets? Until next time, stay curious, stay disciplined, and keep building your future.